Hey everyone, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Quick update on the situation going on. Obviously, we know today was a total washout, but we've had some severe weather not too far away from us. This one renegade storm down in Fairfield and Kershaw County has prompted a tornado warning till 8:30, but the circulation has pretty much fallen apart as it moves into northern Kershaw and southern Lancaster County. I want those two counties, though, to really stay alert because this area right in here is right on the border of some warm, humid air, kind of the wedge boundary, if you will. Up here, temperatures are in the 50s, but notice down here in Columbia, Camden, Winsboro, temperatures are in the 60s. So that's the border between the warm and moist air to the south and the kind of colder, I wouldn't say drier, but we've got some relatively drier air at the surface. It's just a front that's basically parked between Lancaster and Camden because you can see the temperature contrast. And as this system actually shifts off to the east, we may see some enhanced what we call helicity right along that boundary. So watch that storm in Kershaw, southern Chesterfield County for about the next hour or so. Here's a look at the radar. You can see the circulation has fallen apart quite a bit. You see Great Falls there, Kershaw, Lancaster, there's Ridgeway and Camden. Now what you're looking at the left is what we call Doppler velocities. And if you look at the radar is down here in Columbia. So the greens are basically winds that are going away from the radar. The reds, I should say, and the greens are blowing towards the radar. So we've got some broad circulation right here. Likely not tornadic right now. It's too broad, but if that should tighten up near Liberty Hill, Westville, Kershaw, Heath Springs, those areas we would definitely watch out for the possibility of another tornado warning. But for the rest of us, it's really just about the rain. We just broke the daily rainfall record here in Charlotte, which was an inch 0.85 set back in 1958. Some neighborhoods a lot more, and we're going to continue to see a flash flood threat stay up this evening. I'll show you a little wider view of the system to kind of give you an idea. We may have another batch of really heavy rain down here in North Georgia come through later tonight. The good news is it looks like the heaviest stuff may begin to taper off, but we could still see some flash flooding tonight, and that's going to be the concern really for most of us. The tornado threat is pretty minimal, and it's going to be confined to these areas to the south. Of course, we'll keep things up to date online, Facebook, Twitter, WCNC.com, and of course, Megan is on duty tonight. She'll have complete coverage of this coming up tonight at 11 on NBC Charlotte.